The people we admire today, they all started very small. Before the headlines and before the success, there was only one idea. What made those ideas work wasn't luck. It was understanding the signals, the market pulse, real-world needs. Today, building is easier than ever. AI is accessible. Technology is powerful. But the challenge remains, finding the right idea and turning it into something real. That's where Ideavize AI comes in. AI-powered idea discovery, market validation, and rapid prototyping with vibe coding. Across artificial intelligence and machine learning, edge AI, IoT, embedded systems, from learning to building to showcasing to launching. This is more than a course. This is a 360-degree end-to-end platform for builders. With the right guidance, tools, and collaboration, ideas turn into solutions. This is where learning becomes building and creativity becomes impact. Welcome to Ideavize, where ideas are shaped, skills are built, and futures begin.